Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install TemplateToaster, a very beautiful web design software for you. Okay, so I will try to download and install TemplateToaster into our PC in this video. So please watch this video and don't skip any moment. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will go to our browser and search here TemplateToaster template. After that, open this website TemplateToaster.com. Okay, make your own website with website creator. Okay, with high quality website using web design, that too with low technical skill and with our website creators. Okay, and you can see here the screenshots of website creating. Okay, you can see here. Okay, after that, create a website with our website creator in 3 steps. These are the steps to create a website. Okay, download website creator from here, download and install it. We offer unlimited product trial. It is very easy to create your own website theme. Okay, after that, create your own website. Create a website from scratch, or you can modify our standard pre-designed themes. Okay, export and upload. Export your theme and upload it to hosting server. After that, you can see the 3 steps to create a website. Okay, why this website creator is the best to make your own website? The reason you can see here, create a website without coding, no coding, just simple creation of a website. Okay, website creator with everything you need. Okay, everything you need for creating a website is available here. Customize and style website. You are free to customize and style your website with whatever feature and functionalities you want. Okay, after that, drag and drop website maker. Okay, all the elements needed to create a website are drag and drop. Okay, create a website on any platform or niche you can create your website according to. Okay, e-commerce compatible, everything available for e-commerce. You can add e-commerce. Okay, mobile friendly website. You can create your mobile friendly laptop PC friendly website here. I mean speed of a website depends on it. Okay, after that, create a website will run on any web host. So if you create your website, it will run on any web host. Okay, any server. How to create a website with our website builder? You can see here name, ये वो जो भी होता है, everything is mentioned here. Okay, over 1 million globally. Okay, the user of TemplateToaster are about 10 lakhs in the world total. Okay, now we will try to download for our PC here and open it in new tab. After that, we will try to go here and download TemplateToaster. Latest template version is available on this page. Okay, you can see the latest version, and the latest version is on 19th of October 2022. That is 8.1.0 20,000 to download now here from. And you can see here the setup for TemplateToaster is going to download, that is about 210 MB. This setup is going to be downloaded, and after that we will try to install or run it as administrator to install the TemplateToaster into our PC. Okay, so get our Bluehost. So you can see here Bluehost for your web hosting after you create your website here, and that is price is $2.95 per month. Okay, you can see here. So after that, when the internet of my PC is very slow, and you can see here the download is will be downloaded in half of hour. Okay, because of slow internet connection. Okay, so you can also guys download and install TemplateToaster, a web designing, web creating software for your PC from this official website trial version. You can see here, or you can see you can call in trial version from this way, in this way, okay, and install in this way. Thank you so much. After this download, you will install it into your PC. Simply no any problem you will face, okay. So after that we will install. I will wait for you. I just skipped this because of slow internet. After that you will download and install and run it to your PC. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.